Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Friedman's test. To test whether there are differences between three or more ordinal variables, the Friedman's test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the Repeated Measures ANOVA, but for ordinal or non-normally distributed continuous variables. You will need three ordinal variables or three continuous variables where the assumption of a normal distribution of the differences has not been met in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any one of the scale questions, 3 through 7, could be treated as ordinal variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 5, 6, and 7. With the PEVS dataset open in Stata, you would choose history as the first variable, entertain as the second variable, and learn as the third variable. To run the Friedman's test for differences, type in the following code in the command box. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Press the Enter button on your keyboard. Stata will generate an output in the results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the mean rank figures for each variable. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.